ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯛꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯤꯆꯟ ꯋꯦꯁ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯣꯠꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯅ ꯊꯝꯃꯒ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯆꯥꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯔꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯥꯇꯩ ꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛ ꯄꯤꯖꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯗꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯁꯥ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯐꯅ ꯆꯥꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯤꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯨꯝꯊꯔꯒ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯛꯅꯤꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯟꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯟꯐꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯊꯥꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯃꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯅꯁꯨ ꯇꯝꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯕ ꯁꯨꯡꯉꯝ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯅꯦ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯗꯃꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ
young girl called Pipi Keithellakpam. She is also known to me. Her farm. We have been in touch with this farm for the past 3-4 years. We have more than 4 lakh uneducated, unemployed youths in such a small state like Manipur. We have this unemployment problem we have here, and this when husband this sector it can generate these self-employment avenues if they are interested. This Inman husbandry sector, this is a very very potent tool for socio-economic upliftment of rural masses.